In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Glide AI features for free. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along in real time and start testing Glide's AI tools inside your own app. If you already have a Glide project ready, that's perfect. And if not, you can still watch the process first and come back to it when you're ready. To begin, open your browser and go to the Glide website. Once the page loads, click Log In and sign into your account. After you're inside Glide, look for the app you want to edit and open it. This should take you to the app builder, where you can make changes to your layout and components. Now that you're inside the app editor, go to the section where you want to place the AI feature. Click Add Component to open the list of available components. Glide gives you different options here, so take a moment to make sure you're adding the right one to the right screen. In the component list, choose Custom under the AI category. This is the option that lets you create an AI-powered experience directly inside your app. Once you select it, you'll be able to type your prompt. This is where you tell the AI what you want it to do. Be clear and specific with your wording, because the quality of the result often depends on how well the prompt is written. Short prompts can work, but if you want better output, it usually helps to give a little more direction. Think about the exact kind of response or action you want from the AI before you submit it. After entering your prompt, wait for it to generate. Depending on your setup and internet speed, this may take a few moments, so just give it a second to finish processing. Once the result appears, review it carefully to make sure it behaves the way you expect inside your app. If needed, you can adjust the prompt and try again until you get a better outcome. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This makes your latest changes live so others can access the updated version of your app. Publishing is an important final step because without it, your edits may not be visible outside the editor. And that's it. You've just seen how to use Glide AI features for free in a quick and straightforward way. Thanks for watching this Glide tutorial on how to use Glide AI features for free. If this helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more no-code tutorials. See you in the next video.